We are here today at Old Mutual Investment Group's Tomorrow Investment Summit 2024. We are very pleased to have some really important stakeholders in our industry, your investment consultants, multi-managers, retirement fund trustees, retail investors, to engage on critical topics that will enable us to deliver for the ultimate beneficiaries of the work we do.
So the theme of the summit is thriving in an ambiguous world, about how we're moving from the ultra-low interest rate environments to a higher interest rate environment, and the uncertainties, ambiguities if you want, and risks and opportunities that provide.
The big one for me was the session on evaluating the opportunities in emerging markets versus the US equity market. And so hearing other perspectives from experts in the region here in Africa on where the opportunities are in South Africa explicitly and where they are in the rest of the emerging markets was extremely valuable for us.
This conference is always a great opportunity to reflect on the investment future. I think for me, certainly what's becoming even more evident is that we need to be paying a lot more attention on the investment decisions that we are making that are impacting the type of future that we're going to be retiring into.
This year's publication is focused around the trifecta of Old Mutual Investment Group's brand promise, which is around investment excellence, responsible investing, and transformation.
What I loved the most was the emphasis on how technology can be used to help investors improve their outcomes. What I also loved was meeting individuals in the financial services industry here in South Africa. And what I find is the challenges and the problems that you're solving here are, they have so much in common with what we're trying to solve for in our businesses in Australia, in Canada, in the UK, and in the US as well.
This afternoon, I was quite impressed with the responsible investment, which clearly shows the need for us to make clear investments to curb climate change and the effects it will have on the country and the economy.
I think in South Africa, where climate change will amplify our social risks, we need to start talking about social transition targets that can help lower poverty, inequality, and unemployment. And again, this forum delivered an exceptional platform to discuss these issues.
The Tomorrow Investment Summit really hit the nail on the head with a couple of areas. The very last session on diversity, equity, and inclusion really moved the narrative to the diversity dividend and how important is diversity in leveraging a successful asset management business and the role that DEI can play in successfully growing the asset management industry from an investment performance perspective, but also delivering very positive social outcomes.